All right, we're starting off with 2 packages of our little Smokies. Next, I'm coming in with my pound of cooked ground beef. Right in there, I drained all the grease. Yummy, and this is all in our greased crock pot. And I had a couple of pieces of bacon in my fridge, so I cooked them up and chopped them. This is about 6 pieces. Yummy. Now I'm gonna come in with my Sweet Baby Ray's, and we're gonna add about 1 cup to 2 cups of our barbecue sauce in with all of our meats. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you like, but Sweet Baby Ray's is just always, you know, a classic favorite. So I think that looks like just enough. Oh, and it smells so good. We're gonna go ahead and give this a good, healthy mix so that all of our meats get covered in barbecue sauce. And if you mix it and you feel like it needs more barbecue sauce, just go on and add a little bit more, which I think I'm gonna go ahead and do. Oh, there we go. We want this to be extra barbecue-y. Oh, smells good, looks good. And what we add on top of this is just gonna make it 10 times better. Okay, let's go ahead and flatten that out. Yummy. Okay, perfect. All right, I'm gonna move my crock pot a little bit to the side and bring in a big bowl and a spoon. And I have here my Southern cornbread muffin mix. And we're gonna go ahead and take that bag out, and we're gonna use this whole bag of muffin mix. And then next I'm gonna grab 1 stick of melted butter, pour it right in there. I'm gonna keep my measuring cup out, and I'm gonna bring in my milk because we're gonna do 1 cup of milk. No point in throwing another measuring cup. And we're gonna add that right into our bowl. And of course, we cannot forget our egg. We're just gonna add 1 egg, and then our cornbread is ready. Now you could add some jalapenos to this. You could add some cream cheese. You can kind of customize it to your liking, but I'm gonna keep it really simple so that everyone can enjoy the, you know, real fresh flavors of cornbread. Obviously, you could make a homemade cornbread if you didn't want to do the box mix. This is my first time trying the crusties or whatever Southern cornbread. I'm hoping it's going to be delicious. It looks delicious. I usually just go for the Jiffy or the Dolly Parton, but the Dolly Parton one is a sweet cornbread, and I definitely wanted a savory. So let's go ahead and just make sure this gets all mixed together so it can go in our crock pot. Yummy. All right, this is ready. Let's go ahead and bring back our crock pot. I go ahead and pour that right on top of our little Smokies, our ground beef, and our bacon. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be so delicious. Now, if you don't have a crock pot, you can make this in the oven. It'll be just as delicious, but you know, my oven is full right now, so I decided to try this out in the crock pot, and I think it's gonna be absolutely delicious. And we're just gonna smooth that out so that it is a nice layer on top of our crock pot. Oh my, I cannot wait. That barbecue smells so good. I just absolutely love Sweet Baby Ray's. Okay, let's go ahead and make sure all of our little Smokies and our meat is covered. And this is gonna be a thin layer of cornbread, so it's gonna cook relatively fast, which is the best part. Yummy. Okay, it looks absolutely delicious. One last thing we're gonna add is some cheese. This is the triple cheddar, but you can use whatever cheese you like. And I'm just gonna do a nice little sprinkle on top. We're not gonna use the whole bag because I don't want it to only taste like cheese, but I definitely want a little kick of cheese because you guys know cheese is my favorite. I think we're probably gonna use like about half the bag. I think that seems like it's gonna be the right amount. Yummy. Okay, this is ready. We're gonna go ahead and put our lid on, and we are gonna pop this on high. Yum. All right, it's been 2.5 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off, and let's check it out. Oh my. Whoa. That looks so good, you guys. Okay, it is time to dig in. Oh, the cornbread's perfectly cooked.
I can smell the barbecue.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna try to spatula it out. Oh, look how perfectly cooked the cornbread is. Oh, yeah.
That looks delicious, babe. Wow.
It looks so good. I do see a few little burnt pieces, but the middle is absolutely perfection, and that's all that matters. Okay.
It's what's on in the inside, you know?
Oh, that looks like a perfect bite. Oh my.
Is it good?
It is delicious. You guys gotta try it.